Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create free website with Wix. Creating a website in Wix is totally free. All you have to just sign up in Wix account with the email, then you can access the website, access your own website for free. So how you can do this? Go to browser, open a Chrome username, and you have to write here Wix sign up. This one, the first option, Wix sign up. Then you can see here sign up in wix.com. Click on sign up. Now you have to click on continue with Google, or you can use an email here. Confirm your email, choose a password, confirm the password. After that you have to click on sign up. After click on sign up, you will have a local website dashboard. Now you can, like this dashboard, now you can edit your website as your own, and you can make a website like this, or you can make a website as you want. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.